In the title of this video, I wrote that it's almost useless. And it's only because I do not use Arylic products on a daily basis in my main audio system. This might change thanks to this little gadget, because I really want to touch it, as weird as it sounds. When Arylic asked me if I wanted to test their new remote control, I thought, yeah, whatever, send it over. After all, if I don't like it, I'll just throw it away. It's just a remote control.
The hell's wrong with this remote control?
Well, Dad, I'm no electrician, but I'd say the trouble is the TV's gone.
They call it a lifestyle remote control, which to me is a bit suspicious, as it reminds me of those dystopian sci-fi movies where machines and AI take control over lives of the humans. But nevertheless, I decided to give it a try. And boy, was I surprised. I fell in love with this lifestyle remote control even before I connected it to appliance and started using it. Just when I opened the box and took it out, because it is a real piece of art. Piece of art. And that is why in the title of this video I called it a high-end piece of gear. Arylic is one of those Chinese companies that make affordable audio gear. I think they were one of the first ones to offer affordable streamers to the market, even before companies like Wim or Eversolo showed up. But anyway, it is not a high-end audio gear manufacturer, but this thing, in my opinion, belongs to the high-end world, just for the sake of its build and design. So this is it. This is BK01 Arylic Lifestyle Remote Control. As you can see, it's just a knob on a slanted base. And make no mistake, this is not plastic. This is all some kind of aluminum. And it's pretty heavy. It weighs more than half a kilogram, so more than 1 pound. And it's really of reassuring weight. You can actually use it as a, I don't know, doorstep as well, or the document holder on your desk. And it's, as you can see, it's illuminated here, and it has a slanted shape, so it sits on your desk or a table like this. It has a rubberized bottom, so it doesn't move, also because it's so heavy. It has a USB-C charging port on the bottom, and this is an LED indicator for power, for battery, because it's battery powered. The battery, according to the manufacturer, lasts for about half a year of the operation, so you don't have to worry about having to connect it to a cable very often. And on the front we have a few, actually 4 buttons that offer limited functionality when it comes to operating your audio gear remotely. I will talk about it in a second. And illuminated Arylic logo. Just let me zoom in for you to see. Yeah, illuminated Arylic logo, and those buttons illuminate as well when you press them. And the greatest thing about it is this knob. The knob is used to, as you can imagine, to control the volume, so increase or decrease the volume, and it makes a very nice sound when you rotate it. I hope you can hear it, like clicks, like in those relay switches, volume relay switches. The weight of it, the design of it, the materials it is made from, and this feeling of how the knob turns and the sound it makes, it reminds me of the most luxurious products like Rolls-Royce cars, even though I've never sat in any Rolls-Royce, and it's a total surprise because it is unlike any Arylic product I have come across so far. Admittedly, I've only used a few of their streamers, music streamers, and it is something that I will want to permanently put on my desk to control my audio, or even to to be able to look at it and play with it from time to time, because it's really hard to describe the feeling of or the pleasure it gives to operate it and to turn this knob. By the way, the user manual says that you can set the sensitivity of this knob through the mobile app called For Control, but I was not able to pair it with the app, so I wouldn't know how to do it. And when it comes to the functionality, so you can pair it with several of the Arylic products, like their music streamers and streaming amps. And there is a list of devices you can pair it with, and a list of devices, Arylic devices, you can't pair it with. Luckily, I have their streamer what is it? S10 Plus. That's this thing, and yeah, and I was able to use this BK01 to control it. And again, the functionality is very limited, so you can play, pause, or stop the song, play next, play the recent song, go to, I guess, preset 1 or one of the two preset lists of songs you set on your Arylic streamer, and that's actually it. I have a few gripes. The first, very minor gripe, is that if you want to go to a preset to the music list 1 or 2, you have to press and hold this or that button for 8 seconds. I understand the difference between short and long press, but 8 seconds is like an overkill. My finger starts to hurt when I have to hold it for 8 seconds. So I would change it to 2 or 3 seconds maximum, but usually it's just like a long press or 1 second. but that's a minor thing. A bigger gripe I have, and I think it's a missed opportunity for Arylic with this great product, is that it only works with other Arylic products. Maybe it's intended to increase the usage of Arylic streamers and amplifiers, but I think it would work much better from the business perspective if Arylic allowed somehow to pair this with other products or other brands as well, to control other amplifiers, DACs or streamers, and make this work as sort of their advertising or commercial, because this way, first of all, they would, in my opinion, sell much more of those if they also worked with other brands. And second of all, then you have on your desk, you have a device that is really lovely to use and that you actually want to use every time, and you have an illuminated Arylic logo, so it's hard to miss the brand. So it reminds you as a user that it is an Arylic product and that Arylic is able to make great products. And also everyone that visits you and sees this will be for sure amazed by this and will want to know more about it. And this way they would learn about Arylic as well. I have to go now because my neighbors start drilling again, but I hope to see you soon in the next video. My name is Greg, and thanks for watching. Bye.